Hi guys, so a bit of an update on the PAZ1 restoration. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a cough at the moment. We've taken the piston off and yeah, it was in pretty good condition really, considering. I thought it'd be a lot worse. I have cleaned it up. It wasn't like really coked up. It wasn't too bad at all. It's a standard piston, standard 3-inch piston. So we give it a bit more of a clean. Now unfortunately, I rather clumsily broke one of the piston rings. I was trying to be really careful. I got caught out on this one here and I bloody broke it. Clumsy. And anyway, look, the rings were reusable because there was a 35 thou gap in the barrel when I put the rings in the barrel and gapped them, and they were reusable. You can go up to 60 thou on the PAZ1, so I could have reused them, but never mind, I screwed up. I'm not a professional mechanic by any means, I'm just a DIY enthusiast. My day job is an ecologist. That's what I do for my day job, looking after wildlife. But anyway, look, we bought a new set of piston rings. Got these from Stationary Engine Spares. I think they were like 22 quid for a set, so it wasn't too bad. So we're going to put a new set of piston rings on them. You have like these two rings like that, two identical ones like that. Then the three top rings look the same as well. So it's going to get a new set of rings. Hooray! You'll be happy, won't it? We'll have to deglaze the bore, so I've just ordered myself one of those little cheap Chinese ones. It was only like 9 quid with the 3 little arms with the whetstones or whatever they are. I've also got this set. Excuse me. I've got this piston ring compression set because on my engine, for some reason, which I'll tell you a bit about later, is the big end nuts are facing upwards, so they're not at the bottom, right? So you can't go in to the crankcase door to undo the big end nuts. You have to do it from the top. Not sure what's going on there, seems a bit of an oddity to me. So we're going to have to put the piston onto the con rod and then drop the barrel over the top. But we can use this tool, I hope, compress the rings. What we've got, so that squeezes it in. Squeeze the rings in and ease the barrel down gently. I might get some help for that. It could be a bit of a tricky on my own. I've also obviously got to replace the gudgeon pin back into the con rod. Got a new set of top end decoke set, also from Stationary Engine Spares. Very good company, they sent it out pretty quick. I guess these rings are made in India. That's probably made in India as well. So we've got a new head gasket, rocker gasket, inlet and exhaust manifold gaskets. The bump clearances, well, I will look at that, but bearing in mind that I'm not taking the big ends off. The big ends have got no play in them at all, and the mains are really good. So we'll see what's what, but I don't have any shims, so I'm hoping that the bump clearances will be okay, but we shall see. I'm afraid the washing machine's running here. I've got the gudgeon pin in the freezer. There's the gudgeon pin, so I'm getting that nice and cold. Then I'll drop the piston into some hot water and let it hopefully expand a bit. And then we'll lock that in. In here, my office where I work has also become a painting shop. It's too blooming cold in the garage. Like, we're experiencing some very cold weather in North Somerset, well, in the whole of England at the moment. We're going for a bit of a cold period. So I've kind of abandoned working in the garage and I've come into my office. It stinks of paint in here. There's the cowling, that's painted green. You can see the repair patch, it's not too bad because you've got a bit of cowling. Fuel tank, you've got the fuel filter there, fuel filter housing. So that's drying off nicely in here. It's had 1 coat of red oxide and 2 coats of this paint here, which is stuff I got off eBay. This is a really good company actually. That is light Brunswick green. That costs like 20 quid for 500 mil. You can get it on eBay. They send it out quite quickly too. So that's what colour my engine's going to be. There's all the bits and pieces in that box there. We've got some more bits hanging up here. Look. We've got the tank brackets here. I have to keep ducking my head. There they are, drying away nicely. I've got a very sympathetic wife. She doesn't mind me doing these sort of things. Stops me bothering her, doesn't it? Anyway, look, that's a quick update for you guys, and hopefully when it warms up a bit, we'll get out in the garage, try and get the piston back on. Piston broke. Let's hope it all goes back together. Anyway, over and out for now. Bye.